We have Baylor Stanton going for the NAG record. Comment down below where he will go, guys. He went a 140.2. Chill. I don't normally glaze, guys, but this swim might happen. Keep in mind that. Chill, they're gonna hear this.
Let's go, dog!
Look at that dive, guys. Kick into the 15. Yes, sir. Look at those immaculate underwaters, guys. The next Leon Marchand, for real. Go Baylor! He's out 23-63. Yo! Look at those guys. He's out 49-10. Go! Let's see if he has enough tank to finish in the last 75.
Good job.
25-7-3.
Come on!
Go! Finish strong. Where's he gonna go, guys? Holy smoly! 140.5. Yes, sir! Crazy swim, guys.